Aerobic training, why do you need it and how to choose the best one? Let's give some advice. Over the past couple of years, the trend towards a healthy lifestyle has been actively promoted. Going in for sports and looking after your appearance is not only fashionable, but also useful. But at the same time, not many people understand how you can monitor your health at home, when there is no way to visit a professional gym and set aside several hours for training. Here are some tips on how to take care of your own health without leaving home. Boxing. The idea that boxing is only for big men is wrong. In fact, such training helps strengthen the cardiovascular system, burn extra calories and drive water. To do this, you will need a punching bag and elastic bandages. Clothing should be loose and not restrictive. When choosing a pair, you should pay attention to several parameters. Material quality. It is recommended to purchase from genuine leather or high-quality substitutes. The surface should not be covered with cracks, otherwise it will quickly deform. Filling. It is best to pay attention to crumb rubber or tissue cuts, they will not cause discomfort during the first workouts. It will not be superfluous to look in advance at the place of attachment. Despite its light weight, usually up to 30 kilograms, the pair will deviate to different places and can accidentally damage furniture and walls. Jumping. If you prefer a minimum of effort, we recommend purchasing a jump rope. It would seem that a child's toy, but with a reasonable approach, it will help to tighten the body and lose extra pounds. The main thing is not to forget that the rope is selected clearly according to height and should not be too short or too long. Even a short lesson must be carried out in sneakers so as not to damage the feet. For jumping, you should choose a place free from furniture, otherwise the rope may touch things around you. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. To stay up to date with our latest offerings, kindly click the bell icon. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.